Halle. Where are we, Halle?
At the Faye's house.
At the Faye's house. This is the middle of the jungle. Bahay ng Encanto. So we're gonna park up and then we're gonna walk inside.
Is there a driveway?
Yep, she lives in the forest.
There's no house
Kasama ng mga white lady.
Wonderful naman ni Halle.
Si Halle pala ang white lady, no? Yun, the white lady. Welcome! Dwantro Fam sa gitna ng isang jungle dito sa Pilipinas. We're with Halle. We are going to Ate Faye's house. It's down this dirt track. It is deep, deep in the forest. Alright, adi ang aton mga duwende.
This is Annalyn, my best friend.
Wow, dadamo ka ngayon, best friend.
Yes, we're 8 in the group.
8 in the group of best friends?
Yes.
Sinong favorite mo?
Kaya ka na ko.
Tama din natin si Ate Jacqueline. Yes. Ang pangbansang tagapaglaba. Ito po yung lamandera namin. Lagi naglalaba. And we have Yano and Baby Nitro.
Hello. Snake? We're gonna eat the snake.
We're gonna go in the monster's house, Nitro. Oh, we're going to the monster house. You want to see?
Yeah.
Let's go. What's up?
Go first.
Let's go, Shanto.
Quack, quack, quack.
You know what that noise is, Halle?
What?
It's a toko. It's like a giant gecko here in the Philippines. And it has like colorful spots on it and stuff. It's pretty cool. They believe that their blood cures cancer.
What?
Yep, so people sell them on the black market.
It's so cute.
Her hair is cute though, Ate Jack. Hello, Ate Faye!
Welcome home.
Dogs everywhere in the Philippines, Halle.
No.
So this is Ate Faye's house. It's a little house tucked away in the middle of the forest, far away from the road. Very secluded, very tahimik dito. Maraming mga hayop, mga aso, mga koneho, mga manok, mga kalabaw, ganun. Alright, Halle, so today you are going to do a BOODLE fight. Do you know what that is?
Who am I fighting?
Huh? BOODLE fight ini? You're gonna prepare pa? Okay, so that is not the BOODLE fight, Halle. It is not a BOODLE fight. That is just a bunch of food on a table. Yeah, the leaves of the BOODLE fight. Oh, it's a big banana leaf, Nitro, look. Whoa, big banana leaf. Wow, we're gonna eat on that.
But where's the big train track?
The big train track? Oh, I don't know, it must be in the toys somewhere. You remember the train track, do ya? Yeah? Ate Faye, hi hindi yung aircon.
Why the order? An aircon fresh air.
Fresh air lang. Alright, moving the table. Bayanihan. What's your head, Yano? Ulo mo. Oo.
Hello.
The chicken scared of you? The rooster. He's a cockfighter.
Oh, is he a fighter?
Yeah, they use them to fight here in the Philippines.
Really?
And they have big stadiums that they set up and have cockfights in them.
What the hell?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Scared?
Yep.
How scared he is? I can't get away.
You're scared you're gonna make him fight. It's a big pig.
It's so dirty.
Yeah, it's a dirty pig. Pig's pretty dirty. He's grunting. He wants to play.
It's like Charlotte's Web.
Yeah. He's a big pig.
Is he scared? Can I pat him?
I guess so, just be careful.
Will we bite?
I hope not.
Nice. Wait, I thought There's a black one.
A black pig?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Ano ni mo gintutukod dida? Balay-balay. It's like a little nipa hut he's making. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Yep. Para kan ka na ito nga balay. Oh, para ka atipe. Kung nasisinahiya mo. He's saying if Faye gets angry at him, she can come here to chill out. Oh, tingnan mo, may mga kambing pa dito. Kambing. Oh, kambing na walang bangs. You trying to help the goat, Halle?
Yeah, I got it.
Very good. You're a good Samaritan.
I'm scared. I'm not scary. It's like so
He's scared of you. There you go.
your leg is stuck. I'm scared. His leg is stuck.
I know. It's because he thinks you're trying to lech on him or something. The Jack serving the food. Yun. Ang Santa. Anong ginagawa mo?
Nag-ready. Ay, ate Jack, diri pa gin susugad.
Diri ka di pa. Kadiniya ako.
Diri, ano dito?
Yan na ba lang expert ha? Kuan. Boodle fight.
Anabil, analin.
Ay, Annalyn.
Ay, dapat gilimot ang letter S.
Ang galing naman. Ang ating mga donya na nag-prepare. Siargao ang peg. Very good, Shanta. Is this the first time you've prepared a boodle fight, Shan?
Yeah. Pero ate Feman ito, yung arrange na analin nito.
So, anong ginawa mo?
Yeah.
Wala lang.
Hindi, yun yung sinabi ko. I'm not kuan. Ang tawag ito,
expert.
diri ako nag-aakuhan all of it. Ang credit. So, it's everybody's kuan.
Wow, humble ka pa.
Yes.
Mga mangga pa. Boodle fights are fun basta malinis ang kamay ng lahat. Kasi pag madumi ang kamay, magkaka-amoeba.
It's not really fighting. It's just because if you eat slow, then you can eat less.
So we gotta fight over the food. That's right, Halle. Fight over the food. Everyone just punches each other and just grabs it.
It's life or death.
Tanong kasi si Halle kung ano ang bakit boodle fight ang tawag. Yan, kasi mag-aaway, di ba? Mag-aaway. You fight over the food. Oh. Oh, Nitro, it's a boodle fight.
Like, is it spelled like this?
It's like a boodle that you have in the pool, like a
Oh,
noodle
yeah,
with a
yeah,
bee. Yeah. Boodle fight. Nitro.
This is how you spell it.
Boodle. Yep, that's it. That's how you spell it. Oh, Nitro.
That's it, Nitro.
This is called a boodle fight.
Boodle fight.
Yeah, boodle fight. Yeah, very good.
Boodle fight.
You have to
Yeah, it's a boodle fight.
Yes.
Bless the food, Uncle Nano.
Baby Nitro, let's pray. No, it might bite you.
You ready, Nitro? You excited? You want chicken? Oh, the Jack's gonna get in there. Oh.
Come and eat food.
Wala tayong gloves kasi nakalimutan kong gumamit.
Hugas kamay, tapos alcohol lang.
Budol talaga to.
It's a real
not
boodle
this
fight.
one. This one. You eat this one.
It's a mango, Halle. It's good.
Juice save.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Yun. It doesn't get any more authentic Filipino than this. Having a boodle fight in the middle of the jungle of Leyte where everyone speaks waray waray. What the hell is that? Waray waray. Did you know waray waray in English means nothing, nothing? Because it's very hard to teach. It's like, for example, I had to learn Cebuano first so that I could understand how to speak waray. If I had learned waray first, it would have been very hard because no one can really teach because it just breaks all the rules all the time. It doesn't follow its own rules. It has rules, but then you can just break them whenever you want. It's a very hard language to learn, but it's a lot of fun to speak. That's why they call it waray waray. Nothing, nothing. All right, Halle, show us how you boodle fight. How do you do it?
Crap at
So
it.
you grab it with your hand like that. Yep, that's it.
I don't know what to do. It's too bad.
That's it. Very good, Halle. You are Filipino now. So normally what you do, Halle, is you just grab like a handful and you make your own little spot where you like, my spot. And I eat this spot. And you just, just dump what you want underneath. And then freaking smash it.
I know, the chicken is so good.
The best way to do it is hold it with your 4 fingers like that. And then use your thumb to push it in your mouth. Iyo daw itong manok at pe. Kinpatay niyo.
Subscribe po kayo, Feklay Brun. Feklay Brun.
It's the chicken in the farm. It's called BISAYA.
Ito, Provinciano Vlogs.
Native.
Ito,
Native
Feklay
chicken,
Brun.
you call it
Subscribe.
And it's leaner and the bone is harder.
Sige, kakain muna kami.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Ito na to.
Maghab-hab na ta.
Ito.
Kasama sa BOODLE part. Mga abanger. Iyo inipin.
Is the Buddha fight yummy, Nitro? Yeah? It's yummy? Oh, can you hear the crickets? It's so loud, hey. They're going...
Tapos itong mga suman may ganito.
They're all screaming, hey. Yeah. So how was your first Buddha fight, Halle?
It was good. I'm so full.
You're full? Yeah. I'm pretty full too. Kaya mo pa, Sean?
Kaya, Santa, ang taba mo na. Yun lang yung mga sinasabi ng mga
Hindi,
tao.
busog lang.
Hindi, nagko-cosplay kasi ako ng balyena.
Yan ko na, no. Kain ng kain, pero payat pa rin.
Hindi, kasi alam niyo, magkita muna tayo in person bago niyo sabihin na mataba ako. Kasi alam niyo, matangkad si Dwayne yung angle ng camera, tapos alam niyo yun.
Ayan, payat ka na. Alright guys, salamat po sa panonood sa video na to. We're gonna finish eating this. Pero kita-kita sa sunod na vlog natin. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Nito.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
This beautiful life.
Here's the aftermath. Oh, meron pang natira.
Yes, after the mat, ako na yun eh. Tapos ng bagyo.